The touchscreen is your control panel for accessing functions, features, and apps in your Tesla. In this video, we'll review all options within the control section of your Tesla. To access controls, touch Controls on the lower left corner of the touchscreen. In the Controls menu, the top half of the screen has tabs for controlling the sunroof, suspension, driving, cold weather, trips, displays, e-brake, and power-off controls. On the bottom half of the screen, controls for the doors, locks, and lights are always present. If equipped, sunroof controls allow you to open, vent, and close the sunroof precisely how you want. You can drag the slider on the right-hand side, or touch and slide the sunroof with your finger. Additionally, the sunroof can be adjusted from the steering wheel scroll wheel. Suspension controls enable you to adjust the ride height of your Tesla if your Tesla is equipped with the optional Smart Air suspension, and enable automatic lowering for optimal freeway driving. Model S can also automatically adjust suspension height based off GPS location when needed. If you're ever required to raise your vehicle with a jack, enable jack mode here before doing so. See your manual before jacking up your vehicle for additional information about jack points. Driving controls enables adjustment of the steering mode, which modifies the sensitivity of the steering wheel. These modes include Comfort, Standard, and Sport. Acceleration allows you to modify the vehicle's acceleration ability. Sport is the standard level of acceleration. Choose Ludicrous to increase peak torque by approximately 60%. Ludicrous mode is only available with the optional performance upgrade on specific models. Creep mode, when enabled, will slowly move your vehicle forward when in drive, or reverse when you release the brake, similar to a conventional vehicle with automatic transmission. If you turn off traction control or enable slip start, a warning message displays on the instrument panel. Traction control turns off for the current drive only. On dual motor vehicles, traction control is automatically turned back on when the speed exceeds 40 miles per hour. Regenerative braking slows the vehicle down as you lift off the accelerator pedal. It recaptures the energy from you moving forward and returns it to the battery. If set to low, range decreases and the vehicle will coast as the accelerator pedal is released. Range mode automatically limits the amount of power that the climate control system uses to maintain the temperature of the battery and the cabin area. If equipped with the optional cold weather package, Cold Weather Controls enables control of all seat heaters, as well as the heated wipers and steering wheel. Heaters that are turned on are displayed in red. You can touch each seat individually to change the amount of heat and also control the front driver and passenger seats using the main climate control panel located on the bottom of the touchscreen. In the trips controls, you can view and reset the trip meters that summarize the trip you've designated to be tracked. Trips information can also be displayed on the instrument panel behind the steering wheel. The display controls let you manually control the brightness and the day or night setting for the touchscreen and instrument panel. When set to auto, brightness changes automatically between day and night based on ambient lighting conditions. When auto adjust is checked, the displays are further adjusted based on both the surroundings and by learning your preferences. Clean mode disables the touchscreen momentarily for cleaning purposes. Simply press on the brake to re-engage the touchscreen. Power management puts your vehicle into an energy-saving mode to consume less energy when it's not in use. E-brake and power-off controls enables you to manually apply and release the parking brake and power off the vehicle. The parking brake is automatically set anytime your Tesla is in park. Powering off the vehicle doesn't cut power from the battery. Rather, it just powers off the displays and interior lights as if the car is parked. If you are in need of additional assistance, you can reach Tesla support at 844-248-3752.